So in this question, find the values of x for which log 2x base 2 plus log x plus 4 base 2 is equal to 6. So solution, we're going to apply the laws of logarithm here, and since we have common base here, base 2 and base 2, we are going to multiply these numbers 2x and x plus 4 because this is plus. So we're going to have log 2x multiplied by x plus 4 base 2 equal to 6. Now remember, if you have log 9 base 3, this thing simply means how many times are we going to multiply 3 to get 9? Alright, like how many times are we going to multiply 3 to get 9? If we multiply 3 into 2 times, that is 3 times 3, we are going to get 9. So the answer to this thing now is equal to 2. Alright, so we are going to apply that here. How many times are we going to multiply 2 to get 2x into x plus 4? And so we are given that the answer is 6. So we are going to write 2 raised to the power 6 is equal to 2x into x plus 4. So we are going to multiply 2 into 6 times to get this 2x into x plus 4. But we don't know the value of x. That's what we are looking for. So let's rewrite this equation. Let's move this 2x into x plus 4 to the left hand side and then 2 raised to the power 6 to the right hand side. So if we do that, we are going to have 2x into x plus 4 equal to 2 raised to the power 6. And so let's distribute 2x into x and then 2x into 4 to open this bracket. When we do that, we are going to have 2x times x is going to give us 2x squared plus 2x times 4 is going to give us 8x and then equal to 2 raised to the power 6. And so we have 2x squared plus 8x equal to 2 raised to the power 6 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 then times 2. That is 2 into 6 times. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 times 2 is 4. Then 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is going to give us equal to 64. We're going to replace 2 raised to the power 6 with 64. So this becomes 64. So let's write this equation by taking this positive 64 to the left hand side. And so if we want to do that, we are going to subtract 64 from both sides. So this is minus 64 and then minus 64. When we do that, we are going to have 2x squared plus 8x minus 64 equal to 64 minus 64 is going to give us 0. So if you take a look at this equation very well, you see that each term here can be divided by 2. Alright, so we're going to divide each term here by 2. So we're going to divide this by 2, divide this by 2, and then divide this by 2. And when we do that, we're going to have 2 into 2 is 1. We have x squared plus 2 itself is 1, 2 into 8 is 4, then plus 4x, then minus 64 divided by 2 is going to give us 32. And so let's make another space. So guys, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you'll be the first to watch it. It will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you for doing that. So we have x squared plus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equations and we're going to solve it using factorization method because this can be factorized. So there's invisible 1 here. So 1 times minus 32 is going to give us minus 32. So what are the two numbers that when we multiply them we get minus 32 and when we add them we get 4x? So how are you going to do that? So let's find the LCM of this 32. So starting with 2, 32 divided by 2 is going to give us 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And then 2 into 2 is 1. If you take a look at this, we have 2 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5 places. So how are you going to arrange this 2's in pairs so that we can get 32 when we multiply the pairs we are looking for. So let's pick this first 2, and then 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 8 is 16. Then let's pick this 16. So 2 times 16 is 32, but 2 minus 16 cannot give us 4x. 16 minus 2 cannot give us 4x. So 2 and 16 is not going to be those two numbers we are looking for. Let's make another pairs. So let's make use of 2 2's here now. So 2 times 2 is 4, and then the remaining will form the pair. 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. 4 times 8 is 32. Quite alright. Then 4 minus 8 is going to be minus 4. Then 8 minus 4 is going to be 4. Alright, do you get it? 4 minus 8 is minus 4, which is not what we have here. But 8 minus 4 is 4, which is what we have here. So it's going to be 8 and minus 4. So these two numbers is the number that we're going to substitute for 4x. So that's the easiest way to get the two numbers when we are solving quadratic equation by factorization method. So let's go ahead and replace 4x with 8x and negative 4x. So this becomes x squared plus 8x minus 4x minus 32 equal to 0. So let's go ahead and factorize these two terms. So a squared plus 8x has something in common, and that thing they have in common is x. So let's factor out x. X squared divided by x is going to give us x, plus 8x divided by x is going to give us 8. Then minus, what do these two have in common? What they have in common is 4. So let's write 4 into 4x divided by 4 is going to give us x, because 4x over 4 is x. Then minus 32 divided by minus 4 is going to give us plus 8. So again, let's factor out, let's not forget equal to 0. So let's go ahead and factor out x plus 8 from these two terms. So we're going to have x plus 8. So x into x plus 8 divided by x plus 8 is going to give us x. Then minus 4 into x plus 8 divided by x plus 8 is going to give us minus 4. Then equal to 0. So let's make some space. So we have x plus 8 into x minus 4 equal to 0. So x plus 8 equal to 0, or x minus 4 equal to 0. So let's subtract it from both sides. We have x plus 8 minus 8 equals to 0 minus 8. Then have x, 8 minus 8 is 0, then equal to 0 minus 8 is negative 8. Then for here, let's add 4 to both sides. We have x minus 4 plus 4 equal to 0 plus 4. So x minus 4 plus 4 is equal to 0. Then 0 plus 4 is equal to 4. Now we have x equal to negative 8 and x is equal to 4. So when we plug in x equals to negative 8 to this equation, we're going to have log 2 into negative 8 is, let me just write it as log negative 16 base 2, then plus log x plus 4 is negative 8 plus 4, which is equal to negative 4, then base 2 equal to 6. So what you need to know is that log of a negative number does not exist in real numbers. Okay, so there's nothing like log of negative number when we're talking about real numbers. So for this case, x is equals to 4 is going to be our only solution. So this x is equal to 4 is our answer. Thank you for watching.